Now today we will learn a new term, that is acceleration. We will see what do you mean by acceleration. You must have heard the word accelerator, okay, in the vehicles. कार में accelerator होता है, bike में accelerator होता है. Now suppose this is a body A, it is a car, it is some vehicle, and it is moving with a velocity u, okay, and moving with a velocity u, it comes over here, and then this body changes its velocity to v, okay, and then again it is going. So here we will say that the body has changed the velocity, from u to v. Suppose it was going with a velocity of say 5 meter per second, now it has become say 7 meter per second. So you can see it has increased the speed. So the velocity has changed. Whenever velocity changes, we say that there is acceleration, whether it increases or whether it decreases. Suppose it was going at 5 and now it becomes 3, it is decreasing. Still we will say that it is under acceleration. So a body is said to be under acceleration if velocity changes. Okay. Now we will again see in detail what do you mean by velocity changes. When can a velocity change? Now suppose a body is going with 5 meter per second, and since it is velocity, I have to give the direction also in the east direction. Okay, this is the velocity of a body. Now suppose it becomes 4 meter per second but in the east direction, we say that velocity has changed. Suppose this 5 remains as it is, 5 meter per second, but instead of east it becomes west direction. Then also we will say that velocity has changed because direction has changed. Or both will change. It will become say 3 meter per second in the north direction. So you can see that to change the velocity, there are 3 things that can be done. Either you just change this magnitude, or you only change this direction, or you change both. So when this happens, when the velocity changes, we say that body is under acceleration. Acceleration means change in velocity. This can be increase, this can be decrease also. Now, increase in acceleration, or rather I'll write over here acceleration, may either decrease or increase. Increase is simply known as acceleration, or we will call it as a positive acceleration, and decrease is known as negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is also having 2 more words. One is deceleration, or it is also known as retardation. So acceleration is of 2 types. Either it decrease in velocity or increase in velocity. So velocity will either increase or velocity will decrease. So if it increases, we say that it is positive acceleration. If it decreases, we say that it is negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is also known as deceleration, or it is known as retardation. Clear? Okay. Fine. Now, what is acceleration? Change in velocity. Rather, we will say that acceleration is rate of change of velocity. Now tell me one thing. Change in velocity, I gave you one example. The initial velocity was u and afterwards the velocity became v. We are always going to represent final velocity by v and initial velocity by u. So final velocity is v, initial is u. So change in velocity is this, and rate means dividing by time. And let us take it as a. So you get a is equal to v minus u upon t. So this means at is equal to v minus u. Or you can also write it as v is equal to u plus at. Okay? So this is one equation. Clear? Again the unit will be meter per second, because in numerator you have velocity, meter per second, and time again 1 second is there. So for this you have meter per second and again divided by second. So this becomes meter per second square. So the unit of acceleration is meter per second square or centimeter per second square. Clear? Now when you see over here, now see this numerator v minus u. Now this is a subtraction. If v is greater, then v minus u will be positive. So it is a positive acceleration. But suppose v is smaller than u, then in the numerator you will have a negative value. Then your acceleration will become negative. I'll explain it with the help of example. If u is, say, a body is traveling with a velocity of 3 meter per second, and then it changes it to 7 meter per second in, say, 5 seconds time. So acceleration will be what? According to formula v minus u, that is 7 minus 3 upon 5, that is equal to 4 upon 5. Okay? But suppose the initial velocity was 8 meter per second, and now he applied brake, and now the final velocity has become 3 meter per second, and this it has done in, say, 10 seconds time. So now your acceleration will be v minus u, that is 3 minus 8 upon 10, that is equal to minus 5 upon 10, that is equal to minus 1/2. Now very clear, it is a negative acceleration. इसका मतलब है कि उसका स्पीड कम हो रहा है, बिकॉज उसने ब्रेक लगाया है, वो 8 मीटर पर सेकेंड से जा रहा था, he applied brake and that is why his velocity reduced. So this is a example of negative acceleration. Okay? Now let us see what do you mean by now acceleration is also your vector quantity. Acceleration is also a vector quantity. Why vector quantity? Because acceleration is v minus u upon t, and this v minus u is velocity, which is a vector quantity. So acceleration is also vector quantity, represented as a with an arrow. Clear? So remember that over here, when acceleration is positive or negative, acceleration can be negative also, acceleration can be positive also. But this negative positive doesn't mean direction. Positive means increase in speed and negative means decrease in the speed or decrease in the velocity. Okay? Now we will see what do you mean by uniform acceleration. Now again I will take one example. Uniform acceleration. Now suppose 9, 9:30, 10 and 10:30. Started his journey. Right now 9 o'clock the body is at rest. So its velocity is 0 meter per second. Now from 9 to 9:30, its velocity is say 10 meter per second. Again now here when we are checking at 10 am it is 20 meter per second. Here it is 30 meter per second. So you can see that for every half an hour interval it is changing the velocity by 10 meters per second. So it is an equal change in velocity in equal interval of time. So this is said to be uniform acceleration. Okay, why uniform acceleration? Because there is acceleration means only change in velocity. So it is having equal change in velocity in equal intervals of time. So it is uniform acceleration. Clear? Now tell me one thing, what will happen over here? Suppose at 9, let us take the same 9 in time intervals, 10 and 10:30. Now at 9, so it is at rest, so it is 0 meter per second, and here also it is still at rest, 0 meter per second. Here also it is at rest, 0 meter per second. Here also it is at rest, 0 meter per second. Now there is no change in the velocity. So what will be the acceleration? 0. Acceleration is 0. Because u is also 0 and v is also 0. v minus u is 0, 0 upon t. So when the body is at rest, its acceleration is 0. Now let us take one more example. Say at 9, 9:30, 10 and 10:30. At 9 o'clock we see a body is moving with the velocity of 10 meter per second. 9:30 also 10 meter per second. 10 am also 10 meter per second. 10:30 also 10 meter per second. Means it is not changing its speed at all. It is going in the same direction with the same speed of 10 meter per second. Meaning that the velocity is not changing. So here also your u is also 10 and your v is also 10 and v minus u is 0. So here also your acceleration will be 0. So when acceleration is 0 in two cases. One, when the body is at rest, or when the body is moving with a uniform velocity. That is, the velocity is not changing. Means it is not changing the velocity, and acceleration is defined as rate of change of velocity. We want a change in the velocity, but the velocity change ही नहीं हो रहा है, so there will be no acceleration. The acceleration will be 0. Now one more new term we will learn, that is variable acceleration. Again take the same time interval 9, 9:30, 10 and 10:30. At 9 the body is at rest, so it is 0 meter per second speed. Here it becomes 10 meter per second. Here it becomes 15 meter per second, and here it becomes say 30 meter per second. Now here you see the time intervals are equal, that is 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. But if you see the velocity, it is changing. But how is this change? From 9 to 9:30 10 का change हुआ, 10 to 15 खाली 5 का change हुआ, and 15 to 30 15 का change हुआ. So the velocity is changing in a variable manner. It is not equal change, it is unequal change. So if the change in velocity is not the same in the same intervals of time, the acceleration is said to be variable. So we will say acceleration is there because 0 से 10 हुआ, change हुआ, 10 से 15 हुआ, change हुआ, 15 से 13 हुआ, change हुआ. So all over here you see that there is a change. So since there is a change, acceleration is there, but this change is different. So it is a variable acceleration. Okay.